What if you could turn any furniture or interior render into a clean, editable AutoCAD elevation using AI? In this tutorial, I will show you how to convert images into a professional 2D CAD drawing, then transform them into editable DXF files you can use inside AutoCAD. Without further ado, let's dive in. So guys, here we are in ChatGPT. Let's start by converting our first image to a 2D AutoCAD elevation. Let's go to Add Photos and Files. Then locate where we have our photos. In this tutorial, we are going to cover 3 examples. Let's start with the simple one, shelves. You simply upload the picture and then simply paste the prompt. Don't worry about the prompts for right now. What we are here asking, convert this furniture render into a true 2D AutoCAD front elevation using an orthographic projection. That's very important, that we want it to be 2D and not in elevation. And then the rest is about the lines and removing colors, shadows, and reflections. So we don't get any clutter with the conversion from the image to the 2D AutoCAD elevation. Once done so, let's hit send the prompt and wait a couple of seconds until the image is generated. And great, here is our result. As you see, it became 2D and added even some fine details and removed every unnecessary clutter from the image. Let's see also how it looks from AutoCAD once it's... So here it is in our AutoCAD elevation once converted. As you see, it looks very clean, no unnecessary clutter, 2D front view, almost everything we need. Now it's ready for us to put in dimensions or modify it further according to our preference. How actually we converted the image to AutoCAD, the generated image by ChatGPT, I will explain that shortly. Now let's get to our next example. Again, let's go to Add Photos. And this time, let's test it out with our table. Let me bring in my prompt. Some of you might ask, from where do I bring all these prompts? They are part of my prompt AI book mastery, which you can find a link in the description below or in the comment section. So in this prompt as well, we ask it to convert this furniture render into a true 2D AutoCAD front elevation using an orthographic projection. Flatten the object into a single front view with absolutely no perspective, no visible top or side surfaces, and so on. So the rest is again about AutoCAD construction drawings, preserve the exact proportions, profile and curves. So the important part is this one here. And this is to make sure that AI does not go in a wrong direction. So let's hit enter and see. And again, we get a very, very good result here. Let's look at it in AutoCAD, how the result is looking like once also converted. We will get to the conversion shortly. Don't worry about that. As you see, again, very clean drawings, very clean lines. Things are joined together. Even the chamfers are looking nice and neat. So our second result is again very, very good. Now let's move on to our final example and also learn how to convert these images to AutoCAD, because still they are only images and not DWG, not AutoCAD files. Let's go on and load our third example, this time this interior scene. Okay, and let's copy our prompt. And again, I want to mention, if you are interested in the prompts, they are part of my book. You can find a link in the description below. So let's again paste the prompt and hit enter and see this time what AI comes up with a more complex example. As you see, there are curtains, a chandelier, which looks quite complex to do in 2D AutoCAD drawing, and so more. So let's see what the result will be. I believe it did again a very, very good job. Everything looks fine and neat. The lines are clean. And I think it's ready to be converted to a 2D AutoCAD drawing. To convert your images to AutoCAD, write in your browser JPG to DXF. And one of the websites I really like is this one here, Convertio. And by the way, it's not a sponsorship video. I just really like the tool. It's very simple and straightforward to use. So I will even leave a link in the description below. So now we'll go for choose files. And as you see, JPG to DXF, that's exactly what we want. And now let's hit to downloads. And here is our ChatGPT image generated. Hit open. And now all you have to do is hit convert. It might take a couple of seconds, but not long. As you see, directly the result is ready. And now let's hit downloads. And here we are in our downloads. And as you see, the file is called DXF. And when it's not appearing like this on your desktop, make sure to select the file, right click, and go with open with and choose AutoCAD. I have done it so already, so I only need to double click and bring here our AutoCAD drawing, double click the scroll button, and here is our result. Again, it did a very good job and helps us a lot to speed up the workflow. It does not quite replace architects. It's not quite 100% ready. It needs some modification and some cleaning up these unnecessary lines, which I'm sure won't take long. And yeah, so if you liked our today's tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to check out our AI mastery course for architects. See you in our upcoming tutorial.